Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has a beautiful fish here, Tong Seng Pan. Yeah, this is probably about 1.1 kg. It's even longer than the largest serving plate or steaming plate I have, but it doesn't matter. I actually butterfly cut it and I make few slits on the fish body. And of course, you want to make sure you clean the fish kidney thoroughly, which is the blood stain in the middle of the cavity in the stomach later. Yeah, so that one is the source of fishiness. Make sure you clean it. Then I'm going to give it some fine salt. Few pieces of ginger. After which we're going to send it to the steamer. Alright, so you want to preheat your steamer at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. I'm already steaming a bit of chicken inside, right? So now it's halfway. I'm going to open it. Always make sure you properly preheat your steamer, yeah? Then only the steaming process will be more efficient. Alright, so now I started with the chicken and then halfway I add in the fish. Then these two will complete together. So I'm going to steam the fish with the remaining time, which is about 12 to 13 minutes using 100 degrees Celsius and above. Let me show you how to make the simplest steamed fish sauce that you can. Yeah, I'm going to start by adding some light soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons, some fine salt, a bit of sugar, a bit of light white pepper, and I have some ginger oil just now, which I used to fry my ginger. So you can use garlic oil also or sesame oil, up to you. Then we are going to add some water, filtered water. And just make sure everything inside is fully dissolved. And our very yummy but very simple steamed fish sauce is ready. Alright, this is after about 12-13 minutes steaming. Wow, so both. My chicken actually has been steaming for the past about 15-16 minutes. The fish about 12-13 minutes. Let me see. Okay, both should be ready. Alright, the fish, I have removed all the fishy water, the steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. Always remove them. Yeah, restaurant will always remove them. So now removing the ginger. So I'm going to pour the steamed fish water over the fish. Restaurant will actually top it up with 1 layer of hot oil. Yeah, up to you. Appa will not do that at home. Sometimes, especially for beginners, it can be a little bit dangerous. So let's give it some fresh coriander. And some fried garlic. I'm using the fried garlic for the ginger and also chicken together. Fried ginger, sorry. And I can top it out with a little bit of white pepper on top. I'm going to give it some fried garlic together with a little bit of garlic oil. Right, so for my 1.1 kg Tong Seng Pan, steamed Tong Seng Pan is ready to be served. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.